How to connect Printful to Etsy, a Printful Etsy integration tool. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Printful account to your Etsy store. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Printful allows you to create designs and have them automatically printed onto a variation of items such as t-shirts, hoodies, caps, cups, and whatever else it is that you'd like to print on. So they have a wonderful bunch of tools that allow you to integrate your designs onto these items, and it is very easy to use as well. The next thing we're going to have a look at is an Etsy store. Now, this is what your Etsy store should look like, and this is what the homepage looks like. So if you haven't yet got an Etsy account, you can sign up for free, and then you can start building your shop. Now, on the top right-hand side of the Etsy homepage is a shop manager. So it basically allows you to set up your store from beginning to end in category form so that you can get everything done step by step. And it starts with your shop preferences, which basically allow you to choose your country, your shop language, and your currency. And then you go on to the name of your shop, and then you can start stocking your shop. Now, once you start stocking your shop, which will actually happen from the Printful side, you can then move on to how you will get paid from your customer. And then you can actually start setting up your billing information. So when Etsy charges you for your sales or your monthly subscription, that is how the billing will work. And when you're done, you will set up your shop security so that everything in your shop can be secure, and you can start making sales, and you can rest easy knowing that your shop is operational and it is properly secured. So the first thing we're going to start doing here is on the left hand side, we are going to go into the stores tab, and that's right over here. And this is what it looks like. And then you can just scroll down and you'll have the option to choose your store's platform. Now, there are a bunch of platforms you can actually choose from, and the integration process may be slightly different for each store. So right here, there is the Etsy store, and it says a creative marketplace with over 80 million active buyers worldwide. That is quite impressive. And now all we're going to do is tap on connect, and we're going to scroll down on this page, and we're going to say connect to Etsy. So once that is done, it'll basically verify your email address to check that it is you. So this tab on the top left hand side says you already have an account, continue with, and it gives you your email address. However, if you do not want to sign in with that email address, you can actually just scroll down here. You can sign in with your Facebook account. You can sign up with your Google email address, which may differ from the one that is already connected to your Etsy store. Or you can sign up with your Apple ID, or you can sign up with an email. So once we have established which account we're signing in with, we can just say continue. And then it says connect store to, and it gives you the actual store name. And then again, you have the option here to sign in with a different account. And we're going to just tap connect store to our email address. And it's literally as easy as that. Here we are now on the stores page, and this is what your store actually looks like. If you go into your store, it'll basically list all the products over here in this section, and then on the actual store integration here, it has services, integration, shipping, policies, and then the features and so forth. So once this is basically connected, you can now go ahead and start playing around, creating products with Printful, and actually start selling products. So if we just tap again on the stores tab, If you have more than one store, you'll actually see it all on this page right over here. So it says stores, and here are all your stores. So this is the one that I've just connected now. And if you have a look at this store, it gives you just some basic information. It gives you the name, the currency that the store is trading in, and then it also gives you the selling region, and it gives you a status, and this store is active. Let's say that you would like to remove the store from your Printful account. That is quite easy. So what we're going to do from this stores page is you're going to tap on this window that shows your store, and the next page it's going to take you into will allow you to see some details. So if you want to add a product, you can do so, but we're going to jump into settings, which is on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you're in settings, you can redefine a bunch of different things with this integration. So if you have more than one store, you can actually choose it up over here. And as you go down, you can change the name of the store. You can also change the website. So if you have your own domain, you can actually throw that straight into there and you can use that. And then whatever you change, you can just tap save. But all the way down at the bottom of this page, you will find a remove store tab. So it says removing your store will completely remove all content associated with it. There is no way back. Please be careful with this option. So if you are 100% sure that you want to remove this store, you can just tap remove and it'll actually delete the store. I'm not going to delete the store, but if you have reason to do so, that's how you do it. And then you can go ahead and integrate a different store, or you can integrate the same store, but all the content that is in the store that has been integrated between the two platforms will not be available. We can now add a product to the store, and that process is quite simple. You just jump into the product templates on the left hand side, and you can actually start choosing the product that you want to use, and then you can import your designs, put it onto whatever product you want it on, and then you can start building a product description. In actual fact, the products have their own descriptions, so if you want to edit that product description and the product name, you can. However, they do come with standardized product descriptions. It is always good to change those descriptions slightly so that your store is unique. And there you go. You can start selling your products with your designs anywhere in the world. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave us a like. And if you enjoy the content that we put out, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Enjoy.